Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender is designed for handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base. The buying question is whether its exact configuration fits that job. This video contains affiliate links, and I may earn a commission from qualifying purchases. The supplied listing states, the powerful 700-watt push-to-blend motor base powers through everything in the cup for the best of Ninja blending as a smoothie maker, milkshake mixer, and more. This matters most when evaluating the listed motor, container, blade, and preset arrangement. It also states, unlock hidden vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and veggies, blending even the portions that are usually discarded for a nutritious drink. Use that detail to judge whether the included capacity matches normal batch sizes, rather than treating the feature list as proof of performance. For everyday ownership, check dishwasher guidance, blade handling, cabinet clearance, and how many pieces need cleaning. Another supported detail is, crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients for resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, shakes, and more. Check the exact dimensions, included parts, power or compatibility requirements, and manufacturer instructions against your setup before ordering. The main limitation is that high-power blenders can be loud, and a large pitcher is less convenient for small servings or storage. Buyers making mostly single portions may prefer a compact personal blender. Overall, Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender best fits shoppers whose priority is handling smoothies, drinks, sauces, or chopping tasks with one motor base, and whose setup matches the supported facts. Buyers making mostly single portions may prefer a compact personal blender.